So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to connect Google Search Console to Hostinger website. Firstly, open Google Search Console, enter your domain and click Continue. Choose the domain property option and Google will give you a TXT record. In Hostinger, go to Domains, Manage, then DNS or name servers, then add a new TXT record and pass the value provided by Google. Click Save and then wait around 10 to 15 minutes and return to Google Search Console and verify. Once Google confirms your ownership, your domain is connected. Now in Google Search Console, click URL inspection. Enter the URL you want to index and click Request Indexing. Request this for any important pages you want Google to discover. And that's it. Your Hostinger website is now connected to Google Search Console and you've requested indexing for your pages. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more quick website tutorials.